Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to check out your energies from 29th of June till 4th of July. We will check out your past, present and future energies over here, okay? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's get started with your reading. For my Cancers, past, present and future energies. 3 cards for the past. Okay. I need 2 more. Past energies for my Cancer. Okay. For present energies for my Cancer, please. Present energies for my Cancer. Cancer present energies. Future energies for my Cancer. Okay, so the overall energy for your reading is the Ace of Pentacles, 2 of Swords, 10 of Swords, Empress. Okay, so your overall energy, from your overall energy, Cancers, I'm really getting that you really want to start a new beginning, because of a sudden end in your life. This could have been, it could have been a recent ending, or it could have been like 2 to 3 months. The thing has been already ended. You want to start new beginnings in your life, but it's like where to go and how to choose what is right for me, what is wrong for me. You're in the middle. You're not able to decide. You're not able to think what is exactly right for you. You want to nurture. See, the Empress energy is there. So you might be dealing with a Libra. So I'm getting Libra energies, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and strong Taurus with the Empress as well. So we are getting Taurus energies as well. So this is a situation where you want to move forward. This is something you want to move. You want to work on yourself, but you couldn't, because you do not know where to go. If the path will be decided, it will be very easy for you. So what advice which is coming up from this thing is, you might be needing a helper. Read more books if you want to self-help yourself, or you can go to a counselor. You can ask somebody for advice. So you can do it. Okay, so your past energies are the 8 of Swords, 8 of Wands, and 9 of Wands. So this is definitely, there was a situation where you couldn't move, you couldn't do. You were feeling that you need freedom, but you didn't get that freedom. You wanted to communicate with somebody, you couldn't do it. You wanted to talk to somebody, but you couldn't do it because of strong blockages which were coming. So yeah, I am really getting that you were standing there. There were some blockages in front of you, and you felt that these blockages are not allowing me, are not helping me to move forward. Although in the past energies as well as in the present energies, you wanted to move forward. It's like you couldn't do it, but your will is to move forward and move on in your life. Your present energies are Knight of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and the Hermit energy. So not very strong, not very fast energy. It's like, yes, you are not doing anything. You are soul searching. You are maintaining some health, balancing. You might be doing some gymming, yoga, something like that, which will ease you out. You are releasing the toxins in your body, in your life. So yes, you are really working on yourself. For some of you, I'm really getting that you are getting some proposal or something. There's somebody who really loves you, who really likes you, and they are trying to communicate with you. There's a proposal coming towards you, but you are really firm right now. You are behaving like a Capricorn. I'm really getting Capricorn and Virgo energies. So a Cancer behaving like an earth sign. So you are really stubborn. You are really in the moment of not doing anything. Let me just grab my energies first, then I will think about this proposal. Okay, so in the coming future, we have the 7 of Cups, the Queen of Swords, and the 7 of Wands. So I'm really getting that you are becoming more stronger and stronger. It's like that, and people are really getting, attracted towards you. It's like you will start having a lot of options around you because of this strong person which you are becoming day by day. And that is why you are ready to defend yourself. You will be taking a stand of yourself. So I'm really getting a strong Cancer energy here. I don't know whosoever this is, but a very strong Cancer is coming up over here. So let's now clarify the energies. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Alright. One more shuffle, please. One more. Okay, so I want to check out the overall energies for my Cancer, more energies for my Cancer. What is going on in my Cancer's heart, inner energies, which a Cancer might not even know what is going on. Okay, so we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Moon, Four of Swords, Nine of Swords. Okay, so these are the cards for you, which I feel that it is for you. Alright, so Cancer, yes, so this is a strong hidden energy. You might be really, from in front of the world, you might be showing that you are very strong, you do not cry, you do not, you are not very sad. Basically, you do not cry. That is what you are showing to the world, which is hidden, but yes, it's not hidden anymore. So you might be getting very anxious during nights. You might be getting, you want to sleep but you are not able to sleep. You want to take rest but you are not able to do. But don't worry, things are coming towards an end because the Wheel of Fortune is here, and this is the best card if it comes with when you are already depressed, because the endings are about to come towards the end. That is what I am really getting for you. Okay, so I want to check out why the Eight of Wands is here in your past energies. You were feeling blocked, yes, definitely. But why? But why you wanted to communicate? It is the Ten of Wands. To whom you wanted to talk? Knight of Swords and the King of Cups. Okay, so this could be an Aquarius, a Scorpio. Yeah. Okay, so you really wanted to communicate with someone who was always communicating with you before, but all of a sudden they were showing sudden aggression towards you, sudden, it's like a feeling which is coming towards an end, and that is what they were showing, that now it's kind of a burden with you with this communication, and I'm really getting burdened by you. You have become very much dependable on me, something like that, for some of you only, of course. But yes, there's somebody who was started feeling a sudden burden because of you, and you wanted to communicate, you wanted to talk it out, but you couldn't. So you started feeling that, okay, so where is the freedom now? If you are not even ready to talk to me, what should I do? You were not getting tired. No, it's not your energy. The other person was getting tired. You were like, this was a toxic relationship because you were wanting the attention which was not given to you, but still you were waiting for this person because you wanted to change the person, or you wanted to change yourself. The past is like a very weak Cancer who is really loving the other person. And yes, Cancer's ability is that they are the nurturer. They love to love people. So that is why you were doing this and you were not getting tired. It was like, I will wait for you the whole life. Just be with me. But they were showing the attitude. They were showing the aggression, frustration. So let's see why the Nine of Wands is here. The Hanged Man, Page of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. So you were really hanging out there. You were really just waiting that I am not getting tired. I am waiting for you over here. I'm ready to work on this relationship. If you are not ready, but I am. So you were adding new things, you were like, okay, what should I do so that this person might not go? But this person was already ready to go, to leave you, but you were really strong at that time, Cancer. So let's see why this Knight of Cups coming up in your present energies for my Cancer. Why the Knight of Cups is here. So this could be a Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer only. So somebody is really ready to offer you the cup. Somebody really likes you, Cancer. That is what I'm really getting. Two of Cups. Wow. So yes, somebody is ready to offer the cup. Somebody is ready to take you out in a date. But you are showing the no thing right now, that no, I am really not in the mood to go. I am really healing myself. I'm in a healing place and I'm not ready to go anywhere. They are really ready to give you the love which you always desired, Cancer, but it's like you are being the stubborn one, and that is good because you are already healing. Okay, so let's see your future energies. Why the Seven of Cups is coming up here in your future energies? What is the Seven of Cups? Why the Seven of Cups is coming up? The Tower. Okay, so things are ending for you, whatever the situation is. If people are trying to come to you, I'm really getting that you are not accepting anyone's offer. It's a no from your side. People are attracted towards you. People are, it's like you have options in front of you. Before, you were really wanting one person to get, you wanted to get the attention from one person, and now everyone is ready to give you the attention, but it's like you are saying no. You are like, okay, I know I'm the best, but no right now, please. See, new beginning. If you will want a new beginning, you will want it with somebody who is stable. First of all, you want that new beginning with yourself. That is what is coming up. I'm really getting self-love energies in this reading today, Cancer. If somebody who is not getting resonated, and if you are not feeling this way, so you are not a true Cancer. A true Cancer always, they are flowy in nature. They love to just move on. Whatever it comes, I'm ready to move on. Always moving on energies with Cancer. Okay, so Queen of Swords. I want to check why this Queen of Swords is coming up. I see that it's your energy only. Ten of Pentacles is here. Three of Sea. You are saying no to start a family, but you are saying yes for your own personal development. You are seeing yourself as an entrepreneur. You are seeing yourself at certain level where you really want to go, and you want to achieve some success in life in terms of money also. So yes, you want to get financially independent. You want to depend only on yourself, not to depend on others. Okay, so this is all from my side, my dear Cancers. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.